One thing we realize being in the auto repair business is that thinking about your car getting repaired maybe doesn't always happen during our normal business hours. Maybe you get home from work, you're on your way home and you notice there's some stuff going on with your car, but it's after 5:30, but you know that you need to get the car in. One of the things that we do offer at 3D Auto Repair is online appointment requests. You can go on our website, hit a button, it gives you several options to setting your car up for an appointment. Then the next day we get those emails, we see that you're needing to get your car in. We confirm what appointment works for our schedule, and it sends you a notification letting you know that Tuesday at 4:30 or whatever time is convenient for you is also convenient for us. It helps ensure a smoother flow of you being able to address an issue after our business hours and being convenient for us to confirm those appointments, making sure that there aren't any overlaps and that your vehicle gets repaired in a timely fashion. We appreciate you watching the video. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share this information so that other people in your situation can get the information.